Hey guys, what about you today? I am Luana and today I will talk with you about our brain superpower. So, have you ever wondered what actually happens inside your brain when you learn something new? Today we're diving deep into the incredible world of neuroscience, and trust me, it's going to blow your mind. First up, we're talking about your brain's ultimate superpower, neuroplasticity. Imagine stunning visuals right now. It's showing neural networks literally forming and strengthening. It's like building super highways in your brain every single time you grasp a new concept. As its core, neuroplasticity it's all about neurons that fire together, wire together. Think of it as a secret handshake between your brain cells. The more often two neurons communicate, the stronger their connection becomes, literally making that learning stick. This isn't just some cool concept, is the foundation principle that underpins everything we're going to discuss about optimizing your brain for learning. Understanding this foundation concept is crucial because it sets the stage for every single strategy we're about to explore. It's why your brain isn't a static machine, but a dynamic, ever changing supercomputer. So, how does this incredible plasticity actually help you remember things? Let's talk about memory magic. The memory magic is encoding, storage, and retrieval. Now that we know your brain can literally rewire itself, how does it actually manage to hold onto all that information? It's a three-stage journey: encoding, storage, and retrieval. First, your brain takes new data. That's encoding. Think of it like deciding which files to download. Then it keeps that information safe. That's storage. Like saving in that's storage. Like saving it to your internal hard drive. And finally, when you need it, your brain finds it later. That's retrieval. Like opening a specific file. We'll show you exactly how this process works visually. But here's a fascinating twist. Forgetting isn't always a bug in your brain system. Often is a feature. Your brain is an intelligent filtering system, constantly decluttering. It decides what is important enough to keep and what can be discarded to make room for new, relevant information. This intelligent forgetting is actually crucial for efficient learning, and we'll explain why. Understanding this intricate memory process isn't just interesting, it's key to hacking your memory. Knowing how your brain takes it, keeps, and retrieves information means you can intentionally improve each of those states. And that brings us to the real actionable stuff, the science backed strategies you can start using today to learn more effectively. Let's get into the hacks. So, hacking your brain with science backed learning strategies. Alright, so you understand how your brain rewires and how your memory works. Now let's talk about the particular strategies to supercharge that process. First up, the dynamic duo for rocket solid retention, active recall, and spatial repetition. Instead of passively rewarding notes, You're actively testing yourself, forcing your brain to retrieve information. Combine that with spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals, and you've got a powerful system for long-term memory. We'll give you actionable ways to implement that immediately. Next, let's talk about making connections for deepened understanding. The power of interleaving and elaboration. Interleaving means mixing different subjects or topics during a study session, which force your brain to discriminate and build more robust neural pathways. Elaboration is all about explaining concepts in your own words, connecting them to what you already know, and creating mental models. This isn't just about memorization, it's about true comprehension and critical thinking. That's what I do here in the channel, explaining contents that I already study just to keep in a memory or to help you to learn. And this might surprise some of you, but the foundation for a high performing learning brains isn't just about what you do at your desk. Sleep, nutrition, and exercise aren't just good for you, they are absolutely essential for cognitive function, memory consolidation, and sustaining focus. We'll break down the neuroscience behind why skipping sleep or neglecting your diet is literally sabotaging your learn efforts. But there's even more to boosting your cognitive performance than just these basics. So, boosting cognitive performance beyond just study. So, you're implementing active recall, spacing your study, and taking care of your body. What else can you do to truly boost your cognitive performance? Let's talk about the surprising link between stress, focus, and your ability to learn effectively. Chronic stress floods your brain with cortisol, which can impair memory and attention. We'll discuss how to recognize these impacts and mitigate them. This is where tools like mindfulness and meditation come in. They aren't just for relaxation, they are powerful tools to calm the noise in your brain and change your attention span and improve your ability to focus on complex tasks. We'll guide you on simple ways to incorporate these practices into your daily routine to create a more receptive learning state. And finally, to truly build a robust, agile brain, you need to challenge your comfort zone. Novelty and complexity are brain builders. Learning a new language, picking up an instrument, or tackling a complex puzzle simulates neurogenesis and strengthens neural connections in ways that repetitive, easy tasks simply don't. It's about creating new pathways, not just reinforcing old ones. So, how do all these pieces fit together to create a lifetime of optimized learning? So, here the next topic, your brain optimized a lifetime of learning. We've covered a lot today, from the incredible power of neuroplasticity and states of memory to actionable strategies like active recall, spaced repetition, interleaving, and the crucial roles of sleep, nutrition, and even mindfulness. You now have a comprehensive toolkit based on the latest neuroscience to truly optimize your brain of learning. The beauty of this knowledge is that you can personalize your learning journey based on your unique brain. There is no one size fits all, but understanding these principles empowers you to experiment, adapt, and find that works best for you. Your brain is a dynamic, involving organ, and your learning approach should be too. This isn't just about passing your next task. It's about embarking on an ongoing journey of neuro optimization. Small, consistent changes in how you approach learning, how you manage stress, and how you care for your body will lead to massive compounding gains over time. Your brain is truly your most powerful asset, and now you know how to unlock its full potential. And if you like this video, I hope so much, so I will ask you, if you can, just give us a like and a subscribe. And I will say just one more thing. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Kisses, and bye bye!